morning, my dear children. This is the video and audio of Chapter 4 Health is Wealth of your English Literature. Through this chapter, the author wants to give us the message that the most important wealth is our health. Perhaps when we all were going to the school, you as a student and we as a teacher, then we were having the excuse that we are not having time to take care of our health. We were not able to go for the walk or the exercise. But now, during this lockdown, I am very much sure that all of you must be spending at least 1 hour of your day doing exercise, cycling, walk, or whatever you feel is very important. So this story also tells us that how the headman of a particular village, he was ill not because of any illness but because he was very lazy. He used to lie down on his bed whole day long, and slowly his condition became that he was not able to do anything by his own. So let's start with the story. Children, here the proclaimer shouts to make an important announcement. Now, who is a proclaimer? Proclaimer is a person who informs publicly something. That means who tells the public about something. So one day he announces that the village headman is not okay, he is ill, and whosoever could cure him will get an award. But the problem was that such kind of announcements were a regular feature in that village because Headman was not actually suffering from an ordinary illness. Nobody was able to treat him. Doctors came, physicians came, they tried, they took very heavy fees, but they were not able to cure him. Headman was ill. Due to his illness, he was not becoming weak or thin. Rather, he was becoming fat and obese. Obese means very fatty. In children, the headman became so obese, that means he was so fat that he was unable to get up on his own. He was not able to get down off his bed. Even on the bed, his attendants, means helpers, have to help him to get or sit up in the bed so that he can do something. Stand to stand or get down off the bed or to walk was not at all possible. So this condition of Headman was not because of any illness or disease, but he was fond of eating whole day he used to eat, and he was not fond of any kind of exercise. Okay, so such announcements were a regular feature. One day what happened, children? A lady named Ramabai, she came across such kind of announcement. That means she hears the announcement. Ramabai was an old lady, but she was very hardworking and intelligent. When she heard the announcement, because she was very intelligent, she thought for some time that what could be the reason for the headman's illness. And she thought, and an idea struck her mind. She went back to her home. She did not inform anybody about her plan. She packed her bag, tied her hair, and she went to the headman's house. Now, from her appearance, she seems to be an physician. Now, children, who is a physician? Physician is a doctor. In a doctor. Okay, so she saluted headman. That means she wished headman. After that, said that I headman, I came across your illness and I am not an ordinary physician. I am empress of doctors. That means I am very intelligent lady and you I can treat you. Now the headman was very much impressed. Why was headman impressed? Because so many doctors have come to treat headman, but nobody was able to treat him properly. So Ramabai was willing to treat headman. She said, I can treat you, but there is one condition. The condition is that whatever I will ask you, you have to follow that. There is no other solution rather, but you have to follow whatever I would ask you to do. Headman agreed because he was not having any other choice, because nobody was able to treat Headman. So here's the line, children. Headman is in a fix. That means Headman was not able to decide because Ramabai was putting a condition that whatever I would ask you to do, you have to do. So Headman agreed to that condition. Now, what was the condition, children, put by Ramabai before Headman? Ramabai said that you have to pluck 5 neem leaves from a particular tree. This tree is 500 steps away from your house. But you have to keep in mind one thing, that you will start from your house, go to that particular tree, 500 steps away, you will pluck one tree, you come back to your house, you will chew that leaf, again you will go to pluck the second leaf. So this way you will take 5 rounds to pluck 5 leaves and chew them. Now it seemed a very tough thing for the headman, who was not able to even get up from the bed on his own, but he was not having any choice. So Headman tried it, but the headman was find it difficult to follow it in toto. In toto means completely. Headman was not able to follow the advice of Ramabai completely because he was not able to walk. So the first day he walked with great difficulty. 1 dozen servants were with him. He pulled down the leaf, that means he plucked one leaf, he came back to his house, but he was not able to go for the second leaf. He relaxed the whole day. Now Ramabai went to his house. She encouraged Headman to continue the treatment. Now the next day again Headman tried with great difficulty. He was not able to pluck 5 leaves. That means he would go there, pluck one leaf, come back, chew it up, and then he had to relax for the whole day because he became so tired. But children, something very surprising happened. What was that? That as the time was moving on, as the days were passed on, Headman started enjoying his walk. Now he even wait for the next day so that he can go out to pluck the neem leaf. Because as he started walking, this was a sort of exercise. Headman started losing his weight and he started feeling energetic, and he started seeing thinner and thinner. By the end of the month, children, the headman was not able to sit and stand up on his own, but he was able to walk also. Headman was very happy because Ramabai finally made him realize the importance of exercise, and she also proved the disadvantages of overeating. Now Headman promised that he will not overeat and he will exercise daily. So he became a very energetic man, he became a very happy man also, and now he has lost his weight also. So she, the Ramabai, she was able to earn a good reward from the attendant. So children, from this chapter, we can very well understand the importance of exercise or the importance of walking, even walking, cycling, swimming, exercise, any kind of exercise